Hey Celestials, we're going to be talking about money today, but before we do, my name's Anita and Marissa of crimsoncatz.com. Now, as I was growing up, parents always used to say, money doesn't grow on trees, watch your pennies, make sure you're in a stable job, working 9 to 5 or even more so to get the money that you want so you can buy your house, your car, go on holiday, that kind of thing. Now, firstly, money does grow on trees, it's made of paper. And secondly, you don't have to work the daily grind to get the money that you want and you deserve. I used Law of Attraction back in 2011. I came across it by my sister, who always was very positive and outgoing and believed that what you attract is what you get back. So if you gave out positive energy, you get positive energy back. If you gave out negative, etc., you'd get that back as well. So I started to put that into play, and we were working in our business at the time, but things were a little bit slow. You have to build it and build it and build it, and that was only like a year or so before then. But I was also living in a toxic environment, so I had a lot of negative people around me. But anyway, with that, I used to sit there and make a list of all the things I wanted to achieve, all the things I wanted to get in life, and one was money, a lot of money. So what I decided to do is put law of attraction into play, and I used a lot of money affirmations to do this as well. So my mindset had to change, had to feel more positive about what I was doing, had to feel the energy flow, so I could gain what I wanted to gain. So money affirmations were a bit like, I am so thankful I attract a lot of money. I'm so thankful I'm a money magnet. All right. And then quite a few others I'm going to go through in a minute. So those ones you can note down. So I am a money magnet. I'm so thankful I'm a money magnet. I'm so thankful I attract a large amount of money. But not only did I do that, I also had to feel it, okay? And I had to believe it in order to receive it. And that took some time, because sometimes your mindset can change and you can think to yourself, oh, yeah, okay, great. Oh, yeah, how's that going to happen then? You don't need to know how it's going to happen. You just have to believe it. And you have to feel that it is happening in present, all right, in order to receive it. So I kept doing this, and remember, you can't put a time on it, right? If you keep putting times on things, you get frustrated. You'll get frustrated. So if you say, "Oh, in the next 3 months I want X, Y, and Z," you might get frustrated, and it also holds a bit of a tug of war there with the universe and yourself. And when you do start to change back into, say, like a negative mindset, what the universe will then do will pick up. The universe will pick up on the negative because it's a lot stronger than your positive, so you won't gain what you're looking for. All right. So what you'd have to do is also note down. You can repeat it in just writing it down in your book, like I am a money magnet, or you could use the affirmation, large sums of money flow easily and around me, or I attract a lot of money. Right? So you can also add in, I am so thankful for the money I received today. I am so thankful for the money I received today. Large sums of money flow easily and freely into my life. Large sums of money flow easily and freely into my life. Or I am so thankful I am abundant. I am so thankful I am abundant. So what you can do, you can note these affirmations down, okay, in your book. And you can keep saying it. So if you're driving along in traffic, if you're sitting at traffic lights, instead of thinking, oh my gosh, what a rubbish day, I've got to get through this traffic, I've got to get through to my destination, wherever you're going, instead think about those affirmations and say them in the car by yourself, okay? At least if you're by yourself and you haven't done things like that before, you won't feel as nutty if someone was sitting next to you thinking, what on earth are they doing? What are they up to? All right, so say it out loud to yourself in the car. Remember to believe it. All right, so in order to receive, you need to feel it and believe it. So you're asking for this sum of money. You're asking for, you can actually even put down how much you're after, how much you want. So if it's £50, if you've never done it before, go with smaller denominations first. So say like, for example, £50 first, then you can try 100, then you can try 150, 200, then you can go into the thousands if you want. But as I said to you, it's not a time game. You can't put a time on it. Believe it though, in order to receive it. Okay, without action, there's no attraction. All right. So remember, affirmations. Write them down. Really, really important in regards to gaining that money in your life. All right, and I will see you in the next video. But before we go on to the next video, please do like this video, share it. If anybody needs help, who needs to gain that positive vibe to get that money in, and also make sure you believe it, make sure they believe it, make sure they understand what they're doing. Okay, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification, that way you'll get an email stating when we've put up the next video, so you can watch that straight away. Like I said, enjoy it. Make sure you put down in the comments if you've received any monies after using the affirmations and how long it took you as well. It's not, as I said, it's not a time game, but roughly, you just put it down so at least you can gauge on it as well and others can read the comments too. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Take care, have fun, and keep affirming. Bye.